Hi dear students, how are you all of you? Dear students, here we are going to understand the exercise of lesson number 1 of civics, our life in society. What is the name of the lesson? Our life in society. Dear student, our first question is that fill in the blanks. What is our question 1? Fill in the blanks. Yes, man felt the need for dash dash for the day-to-day affairs of society to run smoothly. I repeat my question again. Man felt the needs for dash dash for the day-to-day affairs of society to run smoothly. What is the answer of this? Rules. Yes, man felt the need of rules for the day-to-day affairs of society to run smoothly. Second is dash dash helps the development of people's talent. Dash dash helps the development of people's talent. Society. What is the answer? Society helps the development of people's talent. Dear student, if you have notebook with you, you can write it there. We all have some emotional and some dash needs too. We all have some emotional and some physical needs too. Yes. Question second is that answer in one sentence. What is the question second? Answer in one sentence. Question 1 is that what are the basic needs of man? What are the basic needs of man? Food, clothes, shelter, education and health are the basic need of man. Food, clothes, shelter, education and health are the basic need of man. Yes. Now here we have seen question second. Let's go. See, second question is whose company do we like? We like the company of our family members, relatives and friends. This is our second question. Whose company do we like? We like the company of our family members, relatives and friends. Now third one is that what opportunities does society provide us? What opportunity does society provide us? Society provide the opportunities. See, society provide the opportunities for expressing our thoughts, and feelings and to develop our artistic and other talent. Understood, dear student? Now our question 3 is that what do you think? Answer in 2 or 3 sentences. Question 3. What do you think? Answer in 2 or 3 sentences. How is a society formed? How is a society formed? A society is formed when people come together to achieve certain common objectives. A society is formed when people come together to achieve certain common objectives. Second, a society includes different groups, institutions and organizations. Society include different groups, institutions and organizations. Now next, why is it necessary to set up a permanent system in society? Why is it necessary to set up a permanent system in society? Answer is in order to fulfill needs like food, clothing, shelter, and security. Society has to create a permanent system. Without a system, the day-to-day affairs of the society cannot be carried on. Third, a system is essential for the continued existence of the society. Understood? Now next, what makes life in society more stable and organized? What makes life in society more stable and organized? A vast system needs to be created includes factories to manufacture tools and equipment used for farming, a market for the goods product etc. The existence of many such a system make a society stable and organized. Second, if there were no social institutions, if there were no social institutions, what difficulties would we have faced? If there were no social institution, individual development would not have taken place at the fullest. It would be difficult to meet our physical and emotional needs. There would be no social stability for security. This is the answer of question number 4. Now our question number 4 is remain. What would you do in the following situation? Situation is given and what you are going to do in this situation. Your friend has forgotten to bring something he needs in school. Your friend has forgotten to bring something he needs in school. First, I would ask him if I could help. I will offer him the things which he needs. If I don't have it, I will inform the teacher and ensure that it reaches him. After all, a friend is need is a friend indeed. This is the answer. You meet a blind or otherwise handicapped person on the way. Second question, you meet a blind or otherwise handicapped person on the way. I will first ask if he needs help and extend a helping hand to him. I will help him cross the road and ensure that he reaches his destination safely. This is what the question number 4, the 2 questions were there that we have finished. Dear students, if you are new on our channel, please subscribe it. You will get all the exercises and all the lessons explanation in English on our channel. So you will improve your speaking skill. Thank you.